Hey guys, it's Maymay, and today we are talking all things Craft-A-Cropolis. So, since the ticket sales launched last Friday, we've had lots of questions. So, I thought the best way to address it is just to go ahead and do a video about it so I can answer all the questions that have come in. I have my cheat sheet. We're going to follow it, we're going to get it all talked about. So, what is Craft-A-Cropolis first? So, this is our very first crafting and cropping event. Now, many of you might be familiar with a crop. That sounds kind of like scrapbooking, and it can be, but we also are doing crafting, so you can do both. What this event is you can secure a table for yourself where you can craft all weekend or crop all weekend with your friends from Thursday, Friday through Saturday. So you can secure a table. It's a 4x4 space. There's all that information on the product page about the table itself. And you can also take some classes. We're offering 3 different classes. The same class will be offered every day, so everybody has the opportunity to take that class. So really, it's only 3 classes for the whole weekend, even though we're offering it multiple times. The next question is, where is it? It is in Clanton, Alabama, which is my hometown, and we're having at the same location we'll be having Made It Con. We're really excited about this. This is something that we didn't think would be available to us, especially right here in Alabama, and we're super excited to do this here right in central Alabama. We're actually in Peach County, so that'll be fun, right? Get you some peaches while you're here. How much is it? Now, there's different prices for how you want to come to the event. Number one, you could just secure your table for the weekend, and that's $139.99 for your table. That gets you Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And you can also, on top of that, a la carte, you can purchase classes. So I'll be teaching classes. Brenda will be teaching classes, and Lisa will be teaching classes. I should say I'll be teaching a class, Brenda will be teaching a class, and Lisa will be teaching a class. The class I will be teaching on Thursday, on Friday, and on Saturday is as many cards as we can from one paper pack. The class that Brenda will be offering Thursday, again on Friday, and again on Saturday, is a shadow box and a mini album from one paper pack. And then the class that Lisa will be offering on Thursday, again on Friday, and again on Saturday is Prompted Memories Christmas Album, which is really cool. It's a new technique that we've come up with that she's going to be using to help you guys do mini albums. And without wondering, how do I fill it up? We're going to have all that information for you. And you can read more about it on the product pages for the classes. Now, the reason we're doing the classes Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and doing the same class is this. We can seat up to 120 people in the big room, in the crop space. So for the classes, we can have 32 people per class. So we're trying to get as many people into our classes as possible. So offering one class 3 times allows for 96 people to be able to take the class. We feel like that should get about everybody in the classes. The next question we keep hearing is, do I have to get a table in order to take the classes? No, you can come and just take the classes. That's perfectly fine. Or you can get both. That's up to you. With your ticket for your table, with your $139.99, you also get a Craft-A-Cropolis t-shirt. You get a stamp set of your choice. You get to come to our store and pick it out. So our store is only we're about 10 or 15 minutes away from the location, so you actually get to come visit the store and come pick out your stamp set. You also get a craft keeper, which is really cool. That's what your stuff will come to you in. We will have snacks and drinks for the weekend, and then there's one other little secret little thing we're working on to put in there for you too. So that comes in the table price. You don't get that with the classroom prices. You don't get that. And another question is about t-shirts. We won't have them for sale separately because they're kind of a one-off kind of event. This Craft-A-Cropolis may be a one-time thing. It might not be. We might carry over. But because of that, we're only going to offer those for table prices because we can include that there. And we won't have, a whole bunch of different sizes left over. Now, if you just really, really, really want a t-shirt, you can let us know. You can email Amanda@maymaymadeit.com, and we can try to figure out a way to do that for you guys. So just let us know, if there's something you guys really want, we try to get it for you. So we'll work that out. Where to stay? Okay, so Clanton doesn't have a plethora of hotels. We have a handful. So you can stay in Clanton. You can also stay in the city above us called Alabaster, and there's also a city below us called Prattville. Those are available, and if you want more information about that, that is on our website. Now you're thinking, so what website? Because we kind of confused you guys because we have a Made It Con website and we have a Maymay Made It website. So these tickets for Craft-A-Cropolis can be found on maymaymadeit.com. All right. So you don't go to the other site, go to maymaymadeit.com for your Craft-A-Cropolis tickets. So when you find when you go there, you can find places to stay that are suggested for you guys. We even have things like motorhome places, different places that you can take advantage of. And I would encourage you to check out Airbnb. We have a pretty large lake near us, and there's a lot of lake houses, and you might consider getting one of those. Now, the next question we get asked a lot is this. I know that I am a Cricut fan. Like, I use a Cricut. I like my Cricut. And I get asked a lot, is this an event where I can bring my Cricut and I can crop? I would say I wouldn't plan on that. Here's the reason. In our town, we don't have great internet at all. There is internet at our location, but it is also connected to a college. And throughout the day, there'll be students using that internet. At night, it might be better. And we can have access to it. The problem's going to be, I cannot promise you that the internet's going to be good enough to use your Cricut. And I would not want to guarantee that. So what I would suggest is if you're a Cricut crafter and that's the only kind of crafting you do, this is probably not the crop for you. However, if you've ever wanted to try something, this will be the weekend. Come, bring something new. We'll be there. I'll be there. Brenda, Lisa, other people will be there that might could help you with learning a new craft. You might really have a good time and try something new besides your Cricut. Scanning cuts will be fine. There is electricity. You just won't be able to use the internet with it. Now, some people have asked me, can I bring a hotspot? You certainly can, but I cannot guarantee your hotspot will work. Okay. Two things. It's a metal building, which always messes my hotspot up. And also, we don't have great service where we're at. This is more of a kind of paper crafting kind of thing, or even just crafting, classic crafting, than it is electric. I'm sorry about that. I can't do anything. I hope, I pray that they will bring us good internet to our area, because when they do, I'm going to be doing all kinds of stuff, but we struggle with that. The next question is transportation. You will be responsible for your own transportation. We don't have any city transportation. There aren't taxi cabs, buses. There's none of that here. We are a small little community in the middle of Alabama, and we just don't have that here. Now, the bigger cities near us do, but here we don't. So if you're coming into the airport, you're going to have to get yourself to Clanton. So you want to think about that. And remember something. Every event is not for everybody. So please don't think that I'm only going to offer these types of events. There will be times where we offer events in bigger cities and bigger places where you can get to us much easier with public transportation, with taxis, with Ubers and things like that. This just happens when we do one in Clanton. It's not one of those. You could certainly rent a car, but that might get pricey. You might even find some friends you can ride with. Now, let me tell you this. As ticket sales start, what we do is we open a Facebook group for Craft-A-Cropolis. That Facebook group is private and is only available to people who are attending the event, okay? Either in a class or in the crop space or both. Those people can start to communicate with each other, and you may, no promises, you may be able to find someone who you might carpool with or something like that throughout the weekend. I just don't have a way to offer that to you. This is just an event we wanted to do for a weekend just to kind of see how it went, to see how you guys like cropping, to try to bring crafting and cropping together and see what we can do. Now, the classes, what's really cool about them, we have done this on purpose. Brenda and Lisa and I have planned our classes to be 2 hours in length. But we have planned it in such a way that we will teach you the technique, get you started, but you won't finish in the class. Let me tell you why this is so cool. You're there for the weekend. You're there to crop. So we want to give you something for you to do at your crop space. So if you take the classes on Thursday, then you have Friday and Saturday to continue to work. Now, you'll get some done in class. Some of the project will be done in class, but then some will be done on the crop floor. And again, we will be there to walk you through and answer questions and all that good stuff. We are nothing if we're not teachers that want you to learn, okay? If you take them on Friday, you'll have Saturday. If you take it Saturday, you might want to consider which one you take so you can have enough time to finish out. Also, if you take these classes on Saturday, you will totally be able to take them home and complete them. They are not difficult. We will teach you for 2 hours how to get it done. So when you leave, you can completely finish the project, and we'll make sure that you're able to do that. We will not let you leave a project that you cannot complete, but they are longer than 2 hour projects. Okay. The event space itself, when you go, I was looking to see if I had a picture of the tables. I think I might. Let me look right here. I tried to get a few oh, here we go. A couple of cheat sheets. Okay. So this is a picture of the tables. All right, let me pull this back and try to get that to focus, which it's not going to. So these tables have numbers. All right, so this is the room itself. When you go to the website, when you go to maymaymadeit.com and look at the tables that are for sale, you'll see these, and they all are numbered. There is a left entrance set of tables, and there's a right entrance set of tables. So you want to pick if you want to be on the left side or the right side of the room. The left side is the stage. The right side is the back entrance where the restrooms are. It's a big room, but everything's really accessible. From the stage for the weekend, we'll be doing door prizes. We're going to be doing top tips from the stage. We're going to be doing all kinds of stuff for you guys. So you pick your table number you want, and as long as it's available, it'll be available for you to purchase there. So you can literally go look at the grid and decide where you want to sit. Brenda and Lisa and I and some of our family members that craft will have tables there for the weekend, and we'll be there crafting with you guys as well, which is going to be fun. I haven't picked my project yet, but I want it to be something that'll take me a little bit of time for the weekend. Another question we've been asked is this. Can you put multiple people at a table? No. Here's the deal. The only tables we could get at this event were 4 by 8 foot tables. An 8-foot table is too much for one person, so we split it in half. So you're getting a 4 foot by 4 foot table, and then someone else is going to have the other 4 foot by 4 foot. The other reason we did that is for community. It would be so hard for you to get to know somebody if they're sitting, 11 or 12 feet away from you because you have a 4 foot table and you have an 8-foot table and they have an 8-foot table. We wanted you guys to have a little bit of community and get to know each other. So think about that. You'll have a 4 by 4 foot space. The thing I want you to think about your table, put your tools to the far side and then work in the front 2 feet. Most of us work in a much smaller space than that at home. If you're like me, I have this huge room and I work in a 18 by 12 spot on my desk. Okay, so what else? I don't think I missed anything, but you probably will have a question. Oh, yes, I did. Supplies. Okay. In the classes you will attend, you will get most of your supplies in your class. That's the reason that they're $34 and $39. Most of your supplies will come in there. There are some tools and some extra items that we are asking you guys to bring. Some are tools you'll need and some are suggested items to bring with you. Okay. So what you'll find is on our website, we have something called a Make It kit. Whenever you come to one of our events, we suggest you pack a Make It kit. So bring that with you. And then on the classes themselves, there'll be suggested tools you might want to bring. Like in my class, because we're making cards, I was like, they might want to bring a white pen. They might want to bring some bling. They might want to bring just stuff that you guys like, that you like to use all the time in your card. Maybe a Wink Stella, maybe a Nuvo glitter pen, whatever you might want to bring. So we put some suggestions in there for you. But the big thing is to make sure you bring your Make It kit. Now we're going to have a great time. We're going to be there the whole weekend. The doors open every morning at 8 and they close at night at 10:30. Except for Saturday, they open at 8 and close at 5. And I hope I told you those hours right. Let me look, because Amanda will be on me if I didn't. I'm pretty sure that's right. I don't have it listed here. Yeah, I feel good about those hours. If I'm wrong, Amanda will correct me, but there you go. So tickets are on sale now. We have sold a good bit of tickets. Classes may be getting a little thin as far as room is left in those, so go grab those. We're really looking forward to seeing you there, and we're super excited about our first Alabama and even my hometown event. And we want to have you at the store while you're here. We want to bring you to the store and take you on a tour and let you see everything and experience the whole place. We love being able to bring you guys close to us. Any questions that you might have that I did not answer, put them in the description not the description, but the comment section of this video. We're going to have people watching these questions or watching these comments so we can answer them in the public area so that other people who might have the same question can read your question and see the answer down there. And we can also add them to our frequently asked questions section about the event. Should you have a question you don't want to ask in public, should you need to speak to somebody and clarify something, we are here for you. Our store hours are 9 to 4, Monday through Friday, Central Standard Time. We have chat for you online. You can access that through our website. That's there till 4. You can call our store. Our phone number's on our website. You can email us at info@maymaymadeit.com. And if you have a specific question that you think Amanda might can answer for you, you can always email Amanda as well. She's Amanda@maymaymadeit.com. I can't wait to see y'all. I'm excited to get to spend a weekend with you where I'm only teaching one class a day, so I can actually hang out with you on the crop floor. That's exciting to me. I never get to do that kind of thing. So I'm usually teaching and running from meet and greet to this and that and the other. And it'll be so fun to be able to just sit in a room full of my peers and craft together. There's no telling what we can come up with. I look forward to seeing you guys. Did I tell you the date? No, but I'll put it in the description. It's August of 2019. And the dates are, I do have that in front of me, the 15th, 16th, and 17th of August. It's hot in Alabama in August, so dress in your summer clothes. It's hot here. We are in a nice air-conditioned place, though. You'll have what you need for that. And so we look forward to seeing you. Thanks so much for watching today. And thanks so much for allowing me to sneak a video in. This was the easiest way to answer all of these good questions for you. Talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.